In the realm of health and wellness, fruits are our unsung heroes, warriors in the battle against diseases. Armed with a legion of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they stand guard over our health, ever ready to counter any offending ailments. Just imagine the simplicity of incorporating these power-packed champions into our daily diet. A snack here, a smoothie there, and voila, you're fortifying your body's defenses, warding off diseases, and paving the way for a healthier, more vibrant you. But not all fruits are created equal. Some, we might say, have an edge, a unique set of properties that make them particularly potent in their protective roles. And that's what we're here to explore. We're about to embark on a whirlwind tour of 8 specific fruits, each one a health hero in its own right, each one with a unique story to tell. Join us on this journey as we uncover the health benefits of 8 mighty fruits. Our first weapon against diseases is the humble blueberry, a powerhouse of antioxidants. This tiny, vibrant fruit is bursting with health benefits, each one a testament to the wonders of Mother Nature. Let's delve into the world of blueberries, shall we? Blueberries are nature's very own magic bullets, brimming with antioxidants. These antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, give blueberries their beautiful blue hue and help combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. This reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to improved overall health. But the benefits of blueberries extend beyond their antioxidant power. They're also champions for heart health thanks to their impressive array of heart-friendly nutrients like fiber, potassium, folate, and vitamin C. These nutrients work in tandem to reduce cholesterol levels and promote heart health. And let's not forget about diabetes. Studies suggest that the bioactive compounds in blueberries can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. So remember, a handful of blueberries a day could keep the doctor away. Next up, we have the vibrant and zesty orange, a true champion of immunity. This brightly hued delight is more than just a sweet, juicy snack. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, all packed into one round, sun-kissed package. The orange is famously high in vitamin C, a crucial nutrient that strengthens our immune system. It helps to ward off common illnesses like the cold and flu, making it a real-life superhero fruit. But that's not all. This citrus marvel also promotes beautiful, healthy skin thanks to its antioxidant properties which combat skin-damaging free radicals. And let's not forget its role in heart health. The potassium found in oranges helps to keep our heart in tip-top shape, reducing the risk of heart disease. So whether you're peeling one for a quick snack or squeezing a few for a fresh glass of juice, remember the humble orange is working hard to keep you healthy. An orange a day could be your shield against illness. Our third contender is the versatile banana, a friend to your heart. This yellow powerhouse is not just a convenient snack, it's a treasure trove of nutrients, especially potassium. Now, potassium plays a vital role in maintaining heart health. It helps regulate heart rhythm and blood pressure, keeping your ticker in top shape, but bananas don't stop there. They're also a great source of dietary fiber. This aids digestion, making bananas an all-round digestive champion. They keep your gut happy and your heart healthier. Moreover, bananas are a natural antacid, providing relief from acid reflux and heartburn. So not only are they heart-friendly, they're stomach-friendly too. And let's not forget, bananas are incredibly versatile. Blend them in a smoothie, slice them over your morning cereal, or enjoy them as an on-the-go snack. With bananas, you have a heart-healthy choice that's as delicious as it is beneficial. A banana a day may just keep heart diseases at bay. Next, we have the crisp and juicy apple, your ally for digestive health. Apples, as simple as they may seem, are powerhouses of nutrition. They're packed with dietary fiber, particularly insoluble fiber known as pectin. This fiber works wonders for your digestive system, aiding in the smooth processing of food and the prevention of constipation. Moreover, the fiber in apples can make you feel full, which is a great advantage for those trying to control their weight. It's a delicious way to keep your hunger pangs at bay while satisfying your sweet tooth. Apples are also a good source of immune-boosting vitamin C, contributing to overall health. The peel contains quercetin, a potent antioxidant that can also support your immune system. So, it's best to enjoy apples with their peel on. To top it all off, apples are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them raw, baked, in salads, or even as a refreshing juice. Remember the adage, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Our fifth fruit is the sweet and tangy strawberry, a companion for strong bones. This delightful berry is more than just a tasty treat. It's packed with health benefits, particularly for our skeletal system. Now, how does that work, you may ask? Well, strawberries are rich in vitamin K and manganese, two nutrients that play a vital role in bone health. Vitamin K aids in the absorption of calcium, the building block of our bones. On the other hand, manganese contributes to the creation of an essential enzyme for bone development. This dynamic duo, found abundantly in strawberries, works together to maintain and strengthen our bones. So the next time you're craving a sweet snack, reach for a handful of strawberries. Not only will you be satisfying your sweet tooth, but you'll also be doing your bones a massive favor. A bowl of strawberries could be the strength your bones need. Next, we have the exotic and vibrant kiwi, a guardian for your eyes. But what makes this fuzzy brown fruit so special, you might ask? Well, the kiwi is packed with two key nutrients, lutein and zeaxanthin. Both lutein and zeaxanthin are naturally present in our eyes, forming a protective yellow-colored pigment that helps shield our eyes from harmful light. They act like a pair of internal sunglasses, defending delicate eye tissues from damage. But here's the kicker, our bodies can't produce these crucial nutrients on their own. That's where our luscious green friend, the kiwi, comes in. Incorporating kiwis into your diet can help replenish your body's levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, and the benefits don't stop there. Kiwis are also rich in vitamin C, another essential nutrient that can help ward off conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. So the next time you're at the supermarket, don't forget to add some kiwis to your cart. A kiwi a day may just keep the eye doctor away. Our seventh fruit is the creamy and rich avocado, a nurturer for your skin. A powerhouse of nutrition, avocados are packed with beneficial monounsaturated fats, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. But did you know that these fats also play a vital role in skin health? They help to maintain moisture levels in the epidermal layer of your skin, keeping it soft, supple, and hydrated. Avocados also contain antioxidants like vitamins E and C, which protect the skin from damaging free radicals. These free radicals can cause wrinkles and other signs of aging, so warding them off can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. But the benefits of avocados don't stop at your skin. Their high fiber content and low sugar levels make them an excellent choice for weight management. They keep you feeling full, reducing the need for unhealthy snacking. So, if you're looking for a fruit that can help you manage your weight while also giving your skin a healthy glow, look no further than the humble avocado. An avocado a day could be the secret to radiant skin. Last but not least, we have the tropical and juicy pineapple, a warrior against inflammation. This vibrant fruit, a symbol of hospitality and warmth, is also a powerhouse of health benefits. Pineapples are rich in a potent enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme not only aids in breaking down proteins, making it a trusty ally for your digestive system, but it also has potent anti-inflammatory properties. From easing symptoms of arthritis to reducing post-surgery swellings, bromelain has proven its mettle in combating inflammation. But the benefits don't stop there. Pineapples are also packed with vitamin C, bolstering your immune system, and they contain manganese, a mineral that's essential for developing strong bones and connective tissue. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a pineapple. Not just for its sweet, tangy taste and its tropical flair, but for the health benefits it brings to your plate. A slice of pineapple could be your weapon against inflammation. We've journeyed through the world of 8 mighty fruits, each with their unique health benefits. We've seen how blueberries packed with antioxidants can help fight off harmful molecules. We've learned about oranges and their immunity-boosting properties, making them a key player in our body's defense system. Then we've delved into bananas, a heart-healthy option that's chock full of potassium. We've discovered apples, a fiber-rich powerhouse that aids in digestion. We've discussed strawberries, which not only taste great, but also contribute to bone strength. We've explored the world of kiwis, tiny fruits with massive eye-protecting benefits. We've talked about avocados, the skin-nourishing wonder fruit rich in healthy fats. And lastly, we've looked at pineapples, the tropical treat that holds anti-inflammatory powers. So remember, when it comes to battling diseases, these 8 fruits could be your best allies. Eat well, stay healthy,